Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my second one of 2020 where I'm doing something a little bit different. Before you do get started, I would ask you if you would like to subscribe, like this video before watching. That would be highly appreciative because these videos are taking me so long to make, you have no idea. I've been filming this one for around about 4 days now, just because of some techniques I had to learn to be able to do this. Throughout 2020, my goal is to be making a new little creature every week so I can expand on, you know, my sculpting skills, my sewing skills, just really finding my own style with sculptures and that sort of stuff. Something I absolutely love beyond anything are little weird creatures, cute creatures, that sort of stuff from different movies, which is why today's video fits really well, because it is from Fantastic Beasts. Now, I love Harry Potter so much. I'm sure so many other people do, and when Fantastic Beasts came out, I was so excited because I've always loved the creatures and that sort of stuff in films such as Harry Potter. So when the advert for Fantastic Beasts was released and the Niffler was in it, I was like, oh my goodness, I love it. And with the last release of the movie, they obviously had the baby Nifflers on it, and I was like, I know what I'm going to do for one of these videos, and I'm going to make myself a baby Niffler to have and to hold and to cherish from this day forward. Basically like we're married, but that would be a bit weird if I was married to a Niffler. But this is the little guy. Look at him, he is adorable. I love him. He's got some wires in him so he can be posed in different ways. I've sculpted his face, he's got fur on. Look at him, he is so cute. He's got this cute little tail, but I'll go more into depth in that at the end of the video. So basically I made him over about 4-day span, really, which sounds ridiculous for something so small, but I kind of had to make him from scratch, completely from scratch, really. Without a pattern, I just had to kind of wing it. So that's why it took so long. Then I obviously had to make this video and whatnot. So yeah, what I've done is I've filmed it all and I've put in another time lapse. So hopefully then you can take away some inspiration. You can maybe take away, you know, a few little bits of the techniques that I've used, see how I am doing it, and then hopefully in the future when I get a bit more refined, I'll be able to share really in-depth tutorials with you on this channel as well once I nailed things, you know. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into the time lapse now for you, and then at the end I'll come back to speak a little bit more into detail if you want to hear me ramble on about my little creatures anymore, what my plans are for 2020, that sort of stuff. So yeah, here is the time lapse. time lapse, this is obviously how my little guy turned out. So I think he is so cute. I decided to do him in the brown multi kind of colorway going on because I think we've all seen a black little Niffler, haven't we, really? So I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I've obviously sculpted all his hands and feet just using Polymer Clay. I've actually painted these ones as well. Really happy with how that has come out. Look at those feet and toes and details. I just love them. So the legs and stuff have got wire in them, so they are kind of posable. I feel like going forward I would add in way more wire just to be able to, you know, do the bit more with it. The arms are made the exact same way, so you could just, like, you know, fold them in, fold them out, bend them up and around, make him hold little bits of jewelry like a little cutie. But yeah, just adore him. Another technique that I used, which I haven't done so far, is made the whole face out of Polymer Clay. So underneath here is Polymer Clay, and then instead of just going straight from Polymer Clay to fur, I've actually put individual bits of fur all along the face, all around here, all underneath the chin, just to join up the fur with the Polymer Clay a little bit more. Really liked it. The only thing I would change is, instead of using like the super glue that I've kind of used on here, I would use something else, just because this feels a little bit hard, a little bit rough. It feels like it's got like a few little bumps in there, so I wouldn't recommend that. It was great because it obviously sets really fast and it's really strong, so this is going to hold up. But I think there's probably better options out there. So if anyone has any like ideas for glue going on Polymer Clay to fur, then let me know. I need something obviously quite durable because I like to play with these little things. But yeah, let me know. I would love to know that. That would actually be quite helpful, because otherwise I'm going to be doing a trial and error. I feel like I'm going to be doing trial and error anyway, just to really nail it in terms of the kind of equipment and stuff I'm using. But yeah, here's a little 360 of him. So it's the front there, round to the back, little tail, like I said. Just, I love that. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Again, blue eyes to match my blue eyes, because I thought, you know, this is going to be my little baby Niffler. And that's that. That's all I have to say, really. Just love the posableness of it, because I just think it's so cute. You can like proper flatten him out. You can make him like hold on to little things. He's so cute. You can just move his little legs pointing downwards. You can bring him back up so he sits down. I really, really like that aspect of it. So I think I'm going to have to invest. Ooh, sorry. That looked like a proper broke his arm. But yeah, I'm really going to have to invest in quite a bit more crafting wire, because I just like it. It's me and my baby Niffler. This little baby Niffler needs a little name, actually. But yeah, so throughout 2020, I aim to be making a creature every week, I think, just to expand on what I can already do, refine the techniques, find better skills, just get better at it, basically. And I thought just setting myself the goal to do one every week is really going to help out with that. If you have any characters, any creatures, anything like that that you would like to see me make or attempt or show you how to make, for example, or just would like to see it, then just comment that down below. I would love for some suggestions, because although I have a lot of creatures, I still need to make like 50 more or something silly like that. So I do need some kind of direction to be able to go down, and I think that that would be really fun to get you guys involved as well. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon for another video involving me making one of these little characters. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.